And today, this is crazy. I am going to buy a promo pack, and that is crazy. And that is like super intense. So yeah, I'm going to get this pack. Oh my god! Out of the pack. I got that easy. Coming back into the room. I don't know if I've got anything good. Ooh, what the heck is this? What the heck? This has got to be one of the most embarrassing packs I've ever got. Like, what the heck? What is this? It should contain... No, I got that. I should have just used this. That's it for today, guys. Bye.